Our world is full of mysteries that science still can't explain. Join us as we uncover the most baffling phenomena that continue to puzzle even the brightest minds. In the vast cosmos where silence reigns, a powerful burst of radio waves pierced the void for 72 seconds, sparking wonder and mystery. This was the WOW signal, detected in 1977 by Ohio's Big Ear Radio Telescope. Its intensity and frequency hinted at an artificial origin, perhaps a distant beacon, yet it was never repeated, leaving us with more questions than answers. Imagine a low, persistent hum, an unwelcome companion in daily life. For some in Taos, New Mexico, this constant drone seems to come from the Earth itself. Is it geophysical activity, industrial noise, or something else? Despite investigations, the Taos Hum remains a mystery. Thunderstorms light up the sky with jagged bolts, an awe-inspiring, terrifying spectacle. But even stranger is the rare phenomenon called ball lightning. These glowing spheres, white, yellow, or orange, float through storms, defying gravity and logic. They appear and vanish suddenly, leaving a faint ozone smell and a trail of mystery. Imagine discovering an ancient book, its pages filled with mysterious script and bizarre illustrations. The language is unknown, the symbols indecipherable. This is the Voynich Manuscript, a puzzle from the 15th or 16th century. Its purpose and origin remain a mystery, captivating scholars and cryptographers to this day. In a world mapped and charted where satellites track our every move, there remains a region shrouded in legend and fear, the Bermuda Triangle. Defined by points in Florida, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, it's linked to unexplained disappearances, ships vanishing without a trace, and aircraft lost to the sea. Is it human error, mechanical failure, or the unpredictable fury of the ocean? Or could something more sinister lurk below? The Bermuda Triangle remains a powerful mystery. We gaze at the night sky, awestruck by the stars above, but what we see is only a fraction of what exists. Hidden in the shadows is a mysterious substance, dark matter. It holds galaxies together, yet its true nature remains one of science's greatest mysteries. The human mind is a powerful instrument, capable of remarkable healing. This is clear in the fascinating placebo effect. People often feel real improvements after treatments with no active ingredients. Sugar pills, saline injections, even sham surgeries can reduce pain and symptoms, simply because the patient believes they will work. But how? How can belief alone have such a powerful effect on our bodies? So many mysteries remain. What do you think? Share your ideas and subscribe for more.